With fifth axis machines becoming as popular as Bitcoin, why would you look to invest in a DMU fifth axis machine from DMG Mori? Well, flexibility may be one of those reasons, with X and Y linear drive options. Also options on your spindle speed and options on your tool capacity, which allows you to customize the machine to suit your applications. With exceptional rigidity and impressive chip-to-chip times, fantastic accessibility and a large working envelope for such a small footprint, and all powered with the C-loss control. For more information on this machine and lots of options of this machine, contact DMG Mori today.